සරල ඉංග්‍රීසි වාක්‍ය 10ක්. Who has cut this tree? කවුද මේ ගහ කපලා තියෙන්නේ? Who has cut this tree? I sweep my own room. මම මගේම කාමරය අතුගා ගන්නවා. I sweep my own room. I am used to getting up early. මට වේලාසනින් නැගිටලා පුරුදුයි. I am used to getting up early. I had my meals. මම කෑම ගත්තා. I had my meals. Good novels are written today even by young people. අද තරුණ අයත් හොඳ නවකතා ලියනවා. Good novels are written today even by young people. I have two brothers. Both are elder to me. මට සහෝදරයෝ දෙදෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. දෙදෙනාම මට වඩා වැඩිමල්. I have two brothers. Both are elder to me. Have you ever been to India? ඔයා කවදාවත් ඉන්දියාවට ගිහින් තියෙනවද? Have you ever been to India? All the children in this class have bicycles. මේ පන්තියේ සේරම ළමයින්ට බයිසිකල් තියෙනවා. All the children in this class have bicycles. Who is there with the patient today? කවුද අද ලෙඩා ළඟ ඉන්නේ? Who is there with the patient today? I was playing volleyball at that time. මම ඒ වෙලාවේ වොලිබෝල් ගගහ හිටියා. I was playing volleyball at that time. Thank you.